Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today let's explore classic dashboards in Dynamics 365 customer engagement. So initially we will discuss about a quick introduction on classic dashboards, and then we will move to the application, and then we will see how to create a classic dashboard and how to bring it into the model driven app. Classic dashboards are one of the earliest dashboards types in Dynamics 365. They allow users to see important information in a single consolidated view. A classic dashboard is made up of different components like charts, list, web resources, iframes, and even relationship assistants, which is nothing but assistant cards. And then while you create classic dashboard, you can choose the layout, for example a two column layout or a three column layout, and then place the different components inside the layout, and these components will uh, pull the data from Dynamics 365, and then it will show the up-to-date information in a single consolidated view. Basically there are two types of classic dashboards. One is a system dashboard and the other one is personal dashboard. A system dashboard is something which is visible to everyone and managed by admin users, and on the other hand we have personal dashboards which is created by the individual users for their own use. We will see how to create a system dashboard and how to create a personal dashboard when we go to the demo part. Okay, and then we also see this example in action. We will create a dashboard and then we will try to add different charts and different views, and then we will try to add relationship assistance into our dashboard. And these classic dashboards will have a lot of benefits and limitations. The benefits include like it gives the user a single place to monitor the key metrics, and then it also supports the role based visibility. For example, we have a sales manager and we have sales persons, and sales manager need to see a manager dashboard, and then sales persons need to see a different my activity dashboard, so we can control it with the help of security rules. So only the managers will see manager dashboard, and salesperson will only see their own dashboards. And then when we have this dashboard, it will help to save time by reducing the need to run multiple advanced finds or multiple reports. And on the other hand, we have some limitations with classic dashboards. These classic dashboards are limited in interactions. So compared to Power BI dashboards or interactive dashboards in Dynamics 365, this classic dashboard is non-interactive. In our next video, we will see how to create an interactive dashboard in Dynamics 365. And then another limitation of a classic dashboard is they show the required data in a single consolidated view, but the filtering options are very limited. You can filter the records using the view components only, but other than that we don't have any global filter or timeline filter for the classic dashboards. So now I hope you are clear with the concepts of classic dashboard. Now we will quickly move to the application and see how to create a classic dashboard. Now I am in Power Apps Maker portal, and we will see how to create a classic dashboard. So for that I will go to the solution that currently I am working on, and within solution I need to click on new dashboard, and here we can select the layout. So this is something I explained in our introduction part. We can have two column layout or three column layout, three column overview varied with. So we have different options available. So from here we can select which one we need. Okay, for now I will select this three column overview, And in the introduction part I was talking about this classic dashboard and interactive dashboard. So classic dashboard is something we can create from here, but for interactive dashboard currently it's not showing any option to create interactive dashboard from here. So that is something I will explain in the next video, how we can create a interactive dashboard. We'll wait for the page to load so that we can add components to our dashboard. It's taking some time, so I will pause the video for now and I will start it once the page loads. The page is now loaded. So once it is loaded, you will see the dashboard layout. And here the first thing is like we need to give the name for our dashboard. And then here we have different areas to add the component. So this is for adding the chart, and then this is for adding the view or list, and this icon is for adding the assistant cards, and then we have this for adding the iframe, and then the last one is for adding any web resource. Okay, so first I will try to add a chart. So if I click on chart icon, it will show me this pop-up. Here I need to select the record type. So record type is nothing but the table from which you want to add the chart. Here I will select lead, and then we need to select the view, and then we need to select the chart here. So maybe I will select leads by source. So once I select the chart, I will see a quick preview of that particular chart, and then we can add it. And similarly, I will add one more chart from opportunity table. So here we have different charts: top customers, opportunities by status, opportunity pipeline. So we can select any of the existing chart, and then we will see a quick preview. In the third component, we will add a relationship assistant card. So once I click on that icon, it is showing that your assistant will be shown here. And once we select the assistant cards for any of this component, then you cannot select the assistant again. So earlier if you see, there were 5 icons showing for each component, but once you select the assistant card within this component, you will not be able to see the assistant cards icon in other components. So we have 2 charts, and again here I will add a view. I will choose my open leads, and similarly I will select my open opportunities view from opportunity table. Yeah, my open opportunities. And in the same way, if you already have iframe, or if you have some web resources in your application, and if you want to show it in your dashboard, you can select that web resource and iframe as well. Okay, And in the last component I will add one more view from accounts table. I will choose active accounts view. Now we selected views, charts and assistant cards for all of the different components here. But in case if you want to add one more view at the bottom, so that is also possible. So for that you need to click somewhere outside here, and then from the top you need to click on chart or list. For example, at the bottom you want to show all the activities, then you just need to click below these components, and then you need to click on list. I will select activities and I will select open activities. Okay, so now if you see, already we had 6 components here, but when I add a new component at the bottom, so I'm seeing it here. And this activities is something if you want to have it across this complete row, so you can increase the width as well. So for that you need to click on the component and then you need to click on increase width. So now if you see, it is occupying 2 columns, and the same way again I need to click on it, and then if I click on increase width, then it occupies the complete 3 columns. So in the same way you can increase or decrease the width of all the components. Okay, now we have the completely ready dashboard. So we need to save it and close this dashboard, and then we need to add this dashboard in the model driven app so that it will be available for the end users. So it is now saved. Now if I refresh the solutions page, I should see the new dashboard that we have created. Yes, so now I can see the new classic dashboard that we have created. The next task is to add this classic dashboard into our app. So for this demo purpose, we will add this dashboard into the Sales Hub application. Okay, from the app designer, we need to click on add page, and then dashboard. Here I will search for the new dashboard that we have created. Once the dashboard is selected, we can just uncheck this option show in navigation, because we don't need to add this dashboard into the navigation. Instead it will show under the dashboards. I will click on add, save, and then we need to publish this app. app is saved. Now I will publish it. Okay, now the app is published. And before we check this dashboard in the application, we just need to publish this dashboard separately as well. So I am going to my solution, and here we need to select the dashboard, and then we need to publish this dashboard. So we need to do two publishing. One is at the dashboard level, and this is something we should have done earlier. And once the dashboard is published, then we need to add this dashboard to the app, and then again we need to publish this application. Okay, so now we will go to the Sales Hub application and see whether the dashboard is visible or not. I will refresh the page once. Yeah, now we can see the YouTube demo dashboard within Sales Hub application. So here you can see the two charts that we have added, and then we can see the assistant cards here, and in the below row we would see the views, lead view, opportunity view, and account view. And then in the third row we will see the open activities. So whatever you are seeing here is the system dashboard. Okay, so we have created from the maker portal, and then we published that particular classic dashboard, and we added the dashboard into the model driven app. And after publishing the model driven app, after some time, the particular dashboard will be visible within your model driven app. And then if we want to create a personal dashboard as a end user, if I want to have a separate dashboard for my day-to-day use, I can just click on this new button and select D365 dashboard. Yeah, so here we will see the layout page. So similar to system dashboard, here also we first need to select the dashboard layout, whether it's a 3 column or 4 column, 2 column. That is something we need to select from here. And once we select it, we need to click on create, and then we need to give a name for this dashboard. And similar to system dashboard, here also we need to add individual components within each box, and then we just need to save and close. The difference between system dashboard and personal dashboard is, here you don't have to worry about publishing the dashboard and adding it to the app. So since it is something you are doing directly within your model driven app, it will be visible the moment you save and close this dashboard. But one thing that you need to consider here is, this will be visible only for you unless you share this dashboard with your colleague. On the other hand, system dashboard is something created by the admin users, and it will be given access for all the users. Okay, I hope this video helped you in understanding the complete concept of classic dashboard, how to create it, how to add it into the model driven app. In the next video, I will show you how you can use this dashboard in different ways. Thank you for watching.